How to purchase Prime membership in Amazon. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top, you will see the search box. Over there, type in Amazon Prime membership and search for it. Now click on this very first website option, Amazon.com. Open it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Amazon. Now at the top right, you will find this icon. Click on it and type in your Amazon account's credentials and log into your account. Once logged in, you will land to this kind of page. Now over here, you will see this option, start your free 30 days trial. Click on it. Amazon membership will include movies, TV, and Amazon originals, likewise all the Music Plus top podcasts, discounts on groceries, and more from Prime. You will get 30 days free trial, and after completion of 30 days, you will need to pay $14.99 per month. If you are satisfied with this offer, you can select a payment method. For that, scroll down. So click on this option, add a credit or a debit card. Now fill this, provide your card number, expiration date, security code, and name on the card. After you fill this, if you have gift card, vouchers, or promotional codes, you can type in over here and apply it. After you provide all these details, click on continue and go through the process. Well, this is how you can easily purchase Prime membership in Amazon. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.